Hi, and welcome to our final week, week 8 of EDOL 595. This week we have 3 different things that we'll be turning in. We have the main Photo Voice project, and that project is outlined in a rubric under course documents, and it's also in your syllabus. I've had some questions about the different topics. You can choose one ethical trait or character trait and choose 5 different pictures about that one, or you could choose 5 different character traits and a picture about each one, and each one also needs to have a narrative. So that's going to be due on the 25th, and then by Friday you need to complete your discussion posting. And then you also need to do the course evaluation, and it's important to do the course evaluation so that we can continue to improve this class and also my performance as an instructor, and then overall what we can do to help students be successful in the course. So those 3 things are due this week, and if you have more questions about Photo Voice, let me know, or if your questions haven't been answered and you're not able to get it in on time, it's really important that you make me aware of that so that you're not marked down for that. I'm really proud of how well everyone's done in getting their assignments completed on time. I've taught a lot of online classes, and by far you are a wonderful group of students, and you work tirelessly to turn in your projects on time, your discussion board postings, and I'm very proud of you. So it has been such a pleasure to work with you this week. So again, you can go into week 8 and it says Photo Voice, discussion board Photo Voice, and complete the course evaluation. And then if you have more questions about Photo Voice, make sure you're looking it up the rubric. I always follow rubrics step by step to make sure that you get the most points possible. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call, or you can also shoot me an email. I am checking both the Gmail and the UCI email throughout the week, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful week.